Hey guys, it's Cloak,
and Jock.
and today we're gonna be playing Rivals of Ether.
So the thing about Rivals Ether is recently they added a new DLC character by the name of Ronald McDonald. Some of the longtime fans may have recognized Ronald McDonald from the original 1988 release of the game, if he was a playable character. However, he did not make a return, until now that is. So me and Quad here will be reviewing his gameplay and analyzing his mechanics.
This looks like shit. We can't go. You wanna change maps? Yeah. Yeah, but we're gonna be playing Ronald McDonald videos the entire time. You'd be surprised how much he resembles a popular anime character called JoJo from JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. Ah! You just cheesed me out, which is kind of funny when you play Ronald.
Wait, what?
Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Don't ever try me.
I have.
Oh my god!
What?
No! No! You keep cheesing me out in this map, it's so cute. Next try. But I thought ahead. As you can see, this character is pretty broken and kind of gay at times. But since we're gonna go on this map, which is a lot
Swamp?
Let's go, boys.
Okay.
Oh!
Oh! True Ronald plays always when we stop around.
That's true, that's true. I know from experience, man.
So the thing about Ronald is you want to do like setups with his down tilt, which makes it cheese, but you can't really tell it's that because of the skills you're using. But he also has a lot of good pressuring options. For example, his neutral B, which is hamburgers, and his down B, which alternates between the signature McDonald's apple slice and Big Mac cup. What?
The thing about Ronald McDonald is that you can actually do a lot of cool setups and a lot of cool reads. So for example, this dumbasser right here thinks he's gonna kill me, right? So I'm just gonna do this, and I'm gonna do this. See what I'm saying? It always works. He's also a very combo heavy character, kind of like Bayonetta in Smash Bros. Oh, I'm a genius.
Oh, actually, that's smart.
Oh, that's not good.
So his wave dash is pretty good as well.
It's not very optimal for a normal play though. And this is his final smash. It's called a cool laser thing, and you just when you get it, you pretty much just win because it's really fun and stinky. So you just do this, and it's quite fun. Yep, and that's how you play Ronald McDonald, guys.
Yeah, now I'm gonna show you how to actually play him.
But I just beat you. Okay, so
You little babe. Listen here, you little babe. We're using tournament legal stages now, okay? Only tournament legal.
Oh, I see you man of culture as well.
Wait,
Oh my
Shit.
combos! Oh yeah, the thing about his downer is that it's really good for pressuring off stage because it's so fast and it spikes really well. So what you want to do when he's off stage, you just like you shoot fry and then you like bam bam bam. See, and it doesn't always work. It doesn't always work, but like it does sometimes, you know. And when it does, it's pretty satisfying to pull off, and it's also very good. Don't forget to use your ketchup slash. Never mind, this character sucks.
It's cheap.
Knock it off. Please spare me, Ronald McDonald.
Stinky!
Okay, obviously, Ronald McDonald isn't only going to be playing against himself in tournaments. So what we're going to do is we're going to change to other characters and see how Ronald McDonald goes up against them.
Okay. So start off. I'll switch to a bump.
No, to start off, you're going to stay on Ronald McDonald, and I'm going to play the currently most powerful character in the game. What's his name again? Let's see. Oh, I found him. 100% turbo. Yeah, so since Jock is so good with Ronald McDonald, he's gonna show you how to deal with 100% accuracy.
This is a fun game.
Yeah, so how do we deal with this, Jock?
So this one I want to like give up. Over here.
Jock, I think maybe you're not that good. Is wrong with that.
Come on, I think maybe you're a little gay bitch. You want to switch your character now, Jock, to someone who's a bit more balanced?
My name is Fog. I understand, yes.
Fun.
He's a low tier, but you still find him in tournament play, so I think it's good to have practice against him. Okay, Jock, so how do we deal with the very fast and very broken forward smash?
I just kinda wanna do this.
Oh, it worked! Thanks, Jock.
How are you still alive? What?
This guy's a bottom tier, by the way.
No, he's not. He's unkillable.
Do you mind?
Was that a 0 as a death clog?
I don't think so. I did hit you with forward smash. I mean, forward.
I think this might be a true combo, but I'm not sure.
I think this might be a true combo. What are you doing, Jock? Jock, Jock, cut it out, Jock. You're scaring me.
That was close.
How are you not dead? Jock, you're scared.
Jock, get away.
Okay, I think we gotta play somebody a bit like higher in the tier list. Let's see. My pissing sounds like a good choice.
So similar to Ronald, Mario Pissing was also in the original game, released in the 1980s, but he was also removed because of fear that it would lose its age rating system, and they wanted to remain appealing to children, which was the game's main audience at the time. However, now it's moved to a more mature audience, so they decided to add him back in.
Which is pretty cool because he was really good back in Rivals of 80s. When he was really yeah, this is why this stage is banned.
Yeah, not some illegal stage, but we decided we'd like show you guys how to play it anyways.
Because you know sometimes you might go with the gentleman's rule and you wanna. What are you doing?
Winning.
Knock it off. Get serious.
So Gabriel. I mean, Clark.
yeah, Thor. I mean, Jock. Yeah, what do you want to tell me?
I think he's looking pretty solid. I think he might end up being pretty high on the tier list.
I think so too, right? Should we try like another like really high in the tier list character?
I don't know, man. Should we?
I think we should.
Be them.
You just broke something.
So clog. I think my controller came out.
Cool, bro.
It's okay. It still works.
Man. Let's play the new DLC character.
Okay. If you think you can take me on, that is.
How is it 0?
Was that a 0 to death clog?
No. Do you even know the definition of a 0 to death? What's up? I'm playing Violet.
Playing this game? It's been over 3 hours.
Where?
Yes, it has.
What do you do?
Because I have a timer. Oh, and I checked when I came in here. I came back this time.
Summarizing, we're probably gonna ban Ronald, and they might nerf him hopefully, so he can actually be part of tournament play because he's too broken right now.
I don't really know about Vlog. I like his pretty balanced.
You have angered me. Are you kidding me? Wait, what? You even attack behind. Yo, what are you doing? Jock, we don't have to do this, Jock. Come
I'm
on.
sorry, Clog, but what if I want to?
Jock! No!
What?
Summarizing, I think they're gonna ban Violet because she's too broken.
Okay. I'm gonna go to the ogre to get some stuff. Do you guys want anything? Yeah, we're gonna
Kinder
go
eggs,
we gotta get Kinder eggs.
Get us Kinder eggs.
Wait, alright, we'll go in a bit. We gotta get, let's do this battle. This is the last battle.
I don't think you understand how this game works. I am the king here.
Right here. I get the joke, okay? I get it. He used to be good.
Used to? Look at this guy. He's top tier, for sure.
Cool game.
I love the game because it has all like the all the high tier gamer people's
I too love being gay. You gay girl.
Alright, so you guys want to get the stuff?
I'm done with this game. Let's play something else, man. Dumb game.
Jock,
Anyway.
what are you
Stop
doing?
the recording. Stop the
Jock, put
recording.
it back,
How do you
Jock.
even use it?
Jock, put it back.
Stop. How do you stop the recording, man?